back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to be unboxing a Century Arms AP5-P. And if you know me, you know I like to purchase guns. If I see it in a movie and I like it, I think it's cool, I'm buying it. I don't care about the quality. Luckily, this is a high quality gun. And I got it on sale. Normally it's about $1,500, but I went to Primary Arms and I got it on sale for $14.99.99. So I got a good deal on it. Alright guys, so this is what you get with your AP5P. Let's start off with the cleaning kit. Obviously, cleaning your gun is essential to keep it running nice and smooth. Next, you do have your lock here, because you want to lock your firearm. And then you do have your end cap with the sling attachment. And you also have your sling, so you can always use the sling on the end of your brace or the end of the end cap so that you can carry it with you. And then for sights, they do have a rail mount that you can attach to the top. You can use that, clamp it on top, and put your red dot, put whatever it is that you want to use for sights. Next, you do have your quality control card, and on that, it does suggest that you use 500 rounds to break the gun in. Highly recommend that. Next up, you do have your owner's manual, and your owner's manual, always good idea to read that so that you know what exactly you're doing with your firearm. Last but not least, we do have the magazines. It does come with two 30-round magazines. Of course, you have the firearm itself. And then you have your little tags here. Of course, when you get your firearm, you do get the lock. You want to take this out. And then whenever you're ready to load, you give it the HK slap. So there you go, guys, your Century Arms AP5P. One last feature I do want to show you is the folding brace, because it makes it very convenient when it's compact like this. You can take it to the range, you can put it in a gun bag, you put it in a backpack. Very convenient to take anywhere you need. So like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And then join me next time when I purchase my next unnecessary movie gun. I'm buying that next.